Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the Dogecoin. In my previous videos, we have been watching that the Dogecoin completed a Gartley pattern, a bullish Gartley pattern, and entered in the buying zone. And in my so many previous videos, I have been sharing this pattern with you, like this one, and in these videos as well. And here you can see that on in the month of Feb, on 10th of Feb, I shared this chart first time with you guys when the price action was likely to complete the final leg of the bullish Gartley pattern. And this was a chart that I also shared with the complete buying and sell targets at the Patreon as well. And after that, I also shared the buying and sell targets with you guys on the YouTube and on the different platforms as well. And here I was expecting up to 226% bullish rally, and this was the daily time frame chart where the price line was likely to complete this final leg of the bullish Gartley. And this is the chart, and we can see that we had the support of exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. And I told you that if the price line will break down this EMA 10, then it can move up to this buying zone that starts from 109 satoshis and ends up to 67 satoshis. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action broke down this EMA 10 and accumulated here very well and find a very good support here approximately at 95 satoshis and moved up above that support. And finally, we have seen this very powerful bullish rally. And in the US dollar market, I also shared another chart at the Patreon. And here I told you in the month of March that the price action, if the price line will break down the EMA 21, then it can complete this bullish sharp move and enter in this buying zone that starts from 5.4 cents and ends up to 5.2 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action broke down this EMA 21, and now it is having a very good powerful rally to the upside. Now at the live daily time frame chart, we can see that the price line has rallied up to 14 cents. By the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now you can see that here the price line is topped here at the 14 cents. First here, the price line first found a resistance here at 3 cents. That was not resistance, but that was working as a support, because when we had this rally, the price line easily moved above 3 cents and spiked even above the 8 cents as well, but moved down back. And here the price line found a good support at 3 cents, accumulated here and moved to the upside. And previously the price line found a resistance here at 5 cents that turned into support, and after retesting this 5-cent resistance as a support, the price line again moved to the upside. And here the price action found a resistance at 8 cents and move back, and here the 5 cents work as a very good support, and the price line accumulated here for the long time period for over a month. And after this accumulation, finally we have this very big rally to the upside from 5 cents to 14 cents. That is approximately 180% rally. This is quite similar move like I shared with you about the XRP, and I told you that it has completed a big bullish Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And I shared this chart with you at 25th of Feb, and here you can see that I also shared this chart with the complete buying and sell targets at the Patreon as well. The price action completed this Gartley move on the weekly time frame chart. Here I shared with you the Dogecoin chart with the daily time frame, and it was on the weekly time frame chart. And we can see that how much powerful rally we had by the XRP as well. And the same thing the XEM is going to do. This is the XEM chart that I shared with you on 13th of March, and I told you that the price action has completed this bullish cipher move. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line accumulated here in this buying zone of the bullish cipher, and also had a good support of 50 simple moving average as well, and at this time it is gearing up, and it will also do the same like the XRP and like the Dogecoin has done. And we have a very long accumulation in this buying zone here, and this is also our stop loss as well. Now move back to the Dogecoin chart. Now here we can see that the price line has rallied up to 14 cents. Now if we move here on the 12-hour chart, then we can see that this 14 cents is also breaking as a very good resistance at this time. And if I switch to the 4-hour chart, then we can see that how much it is strong resistance so far on the small time period chart for the price action in the price line after being rejected by this level. We have one touch here, and again we have another attempt by the price line, but it is moved down. Now here we can also see that on the 4-hour chart the price action first formed this falling wedge pattern, and the price action was moving within this falling wedge pattern, and here the price line broke out this falling wedge, and the previous resistance of the wedge turned into the resistance, retested the previous resistance as a support, and then it has rallied very we can see where we have a very powerful rally to the upside after this breakout from the falling wedge. Now if we watch again on the 12-hour chart, then here after this rejection we have a very long candlestick, the bearish candlestick appeared, and we also have a good sell volume, but you can see that so far the sell volume did not engulf this buying volume, and this bearish candlestick did not engulf the previous bullish candlestick. Now if this bearish candlestick will engulf completely this bullish candlestick, then this uptrend can be cancelled and the price action can move down and retest the previous resistance of 8 cents as a support. That is quite obvious and quite possible because this 8 cents resistance, you can see that it has been breaking as a very strong resistance for the price action, and we have so many rejection by this 8 cents resistance level, and the price line has been accumulated below this 8 cents resistance for the long time period. Therefore it is quite possible that the price action will retest this 8 cents resistance. And we also have this EMA 21 on the 12-hour chart, approximately at the same level where we have the 8 cents resistance level, and below the 8 cents resistance on the daily time frame chart we have this EMA 21. So I'm just looking for at least for the retest of 8 cents resistance if this candlestick will completely engulf this previous bullish candlestick. Otherwise, if it will be not, this previous bullish candlestick will not be engulfed today by this daily time frame, by this 12-hour time frame candlestick, then we can expect a continuation in this rally, and maybe the price line will also break out this 14 cents resistance. But at this time you can see that we have a good sell volume, but so far the sell volume is not more than the previous buying volume, and this bearish candlestick did not engulf so far the previous buying candlestick, the bullish candlestick. Therefore we can, unless it will be not engulfed, the previous bullish candlestick won't be engulfed, we cannot expect that this uptrend will be finished or will be ended. I will definitely post more updates on the price action of Doge in the future as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon for more harmonic trading ideas, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.